Let's make some homemade hot chocolate. To make this drink, we are going to start with some milk. 1 cup of whole milk. 1 cup is 8 ounces, which is 240 milliliters. And I'm going to put that in the saucepan. 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I did pre-measure this because I only have 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now, the beauty of using the unsweetened cocoa powder is that you can make it as sweet as you like. So if you like it more sweet, put in more brown sugar. If you want less sweet, put in less. I didn't make too much of a mess. Not bad. Finally, 1 full tablespoon. I should put that cocoa powder away. Finally, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Where'd my tablespoon go? Now, I'm going to take this to the stovetop. I'll be right with you. Here at the stovetop, I'm going to turn the heat on to medium, and I'm going to whisk occasionally until everything's incorporated and it's the desired temperature. We'll see in a little bit. Now that all the ingredients are incorporated and it's hot enough to make my wife happy, I'm going to remove this from the heat and bring it back to the countertop. We'll see in a moment. Now that our hot chocolate is made, the only thing left to do is to drink it. I have a tempered glass. If you have a tempered glass, you can use that. If you want to use a mug, feel free to do that. There's no proportion or amount. It's as much as you want. And this is a little bit more than my glass will hold, so a mug might be better if you use this recipe. But it's up to you. Now that I've set the hot pan aside, I'm going to garnish this actually. Some people like to use marshmallows. I don't care for marshmallows. Some people like Ready Whip. I don't really like Ready Whip, but I'm going to use that anyway for the sake of argument. Do you shake wet Ready Whip? I don't know. I don't never buy this stuff. And it could be prettier with practice. With practice, you can make it prettier. Ready Whip doesn't like me either. And finally, a little bit of chocolate. I have the 70% cacao. Is that how you say it? Cacao. I've got a grater and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on top to make it pretty. And there you have it. Homemade hot chocolate from scratch. Drink with good spirits.